Yeah, definitely did way more than I thought he was going to.
That's the first time I've ever been in a drift car ever.
Honestly, like that right there is not easy. Everyone told me that I was a complete idiot to let you drive my car.
I can drive.
And you did phenomenal.
Appreciate you, brother. So we're gonna play tag. I have strapped an explosive to the bottom of my cart, and I will be chasing down one individual and lighting that explosive.
I didn't like that. Hey, you guys!
Hey, bud. Easy.
Ah! You're done. You're done. You're done.
I'm not having fun anymore. Why does he get the dirt bike? Oh my God.
New rule, the whole driveway is open. We're taking the crazy carts down the driveway. Now listen. I parked a heavy equipment with the bucket sticking out over the driveway. We're gonna die. Good luck. Why the is your cart off?
Safety, that's you.
Cody, no!
Holy
Danny, slow down!
Something's smoking. What is that?
One person has died in a fire.
Everybody stay here. I'm gonna hit this corner again correctly.
Okay, he's coming. Oh my God. Are you okay? Like honestly. Service. Oh, okay. Watch out, watch out, watch out.